Your Lenovo laptop might not turn on due to several reasons. Let's explore the most common ones that can prevent your device from powering up. First, a completely drained battery is a frequent culprit. Lenovo has had battery recalls, so check for low power indicators and ensure proper charging. Second, a faulty power adapter might not provide the necessary power. Test with a different adapter to rule this out quickly. Third, software corruption can prevent booting. This often requires accessing recovery modes or resetting the system. Fourth, internal hardware issues like faulty connections or components can cause failure. Careful inspection is key here. These are the main reasons your Lenovo laptop might not turn on. We'll guide you through troubleshooting steps to identify and resolve these problems in the following sections. First, ensure your power adapter is correctly plugged into both the laptop and a working wall outlet. Test the wall outlet with another device to confirm it works. Check the laptop's charging indicator light to see if power is reaching the device. If there's no charging indicator light, try a different Lenovo-compatible adapter or battery if possible. A dead CMOS battery or faulty adapter could be the culprit, preventing your laptop from turning on. Locate the Novo button, which is a small pinhole on your Lenovo laptop. It's typically found near the power button or on the side of the device. Ensure the laptop is completely turned off. Press and hold the Novo button using a straightened paperclip or a similar pointed tool. Pressing the Novo button allows access to recovery mode without fully powering on the laptop. From here, you can enter BIOS settings or perform a factory reset to resolve startup issues. Start by inspecting the battery for any visible swelling or damage. Swollen batteries can prevent the laptop from powering on and should be replaced immediately for safety. If the battery appears damaged, disconnect the power adapter first for safety. Remove the battery if possible and attempt to power on the laptop using only the adapter. This helps isolate whether the issue is with the battery or other components. For advanced users, carefully open the laptop after disconnecting all power. Check that RAM modules are firmly seated in their slots and secured by clips. Inspect internal connections for looseness and check ports for corrosion, which can prevent proper power flow. When your Lenovo laptop powers on but fails to boot, software corruption may be the issue. We'll explore how to reset the system through BIOS and recovery tools. First, locate the Novo button, a small pinhole usually near the power button or hinge. Press and hold it to enter the BIOS menu for recovery options. In the BIOS menu, select One Key Recovery to perform a system restore or factory reset. This tool backs up your data and restores the system to a working state. If One Key Recovery isn't accessible, create a bootable USB drive with a Windows installer. Boot from this USB to reinstall or repair the operating system. For more advanced troubleshooting, use Windows Advanced Options to access UEFI firmware settings, where you can modify BIOS configurations. For advanced troubleshooting, start with Lenovo Vantage. This free app, available on Lenovo's website, scans your laptop for hardware and software issues when you can boot into Windows. It provides potential solutions and ensures your drivers are up to date. Next, check for BIOS updates directly from Lenovo's support website. Find your model number and download the latest firmware, which can resolve power-on and booting problems. If you cannot run Lenovo Vantage, consider third-party hardware monitoring tools like HW Monitor to gather error logs and diagnose issues. Many Lenovo ThinkPad T14S models experienced battery failures in 2025, causing laptops to fail to turn on. These issues were due to faulty lithium-ion batteries from a third-party vendor. Lenovo issued a recall program with free battery replacements and firmware updates to prevent spontaneous shutdowns. IdeaPad 3 laptops often shut down due to overheating from clogged fan vents and then dried thermal paste. Clean the fan vents thoroughly and reapply fresh thermal paste to the CPU for better heat dissipation. This simple maintenance fixes most thermal shutdown issues. Legion gaming laptops may experience boot loops caused by GPU driver conflicts. Access safe mode using the Novo button, then roll back the NVIDIA drivers to a previous stable version. Lenovo has released patches to automate this process for many affected models. To prevent issues, regularly update your Lenovo laptop's firmware and drivers using Lenovo Vantage. This app scans for updates and applies them automatically to keep your system stable. Dust buildup in vents can cause overheating and shutdowns. Clean the vents every few months using compressed air or a soft brush to maintain proper airflow. Activate Eco Mode in Lenovo Vantage to extend battery life. It adjusts performance settings and predicts failures based on usage patterns, reducing wear on the battery. Regular backups protect against data loss from hardware failures. Use external drives or cloud services to save important files, ensuring you can recover quickly if issues arise. For ongoing issues, reach out to Lenovo's support team. They offer diagnostics, warranty services, and expert guidance to resolve complex problems.